Today, I'll walk you through how to create a new measure in Power BI, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to add a measure so you can enhance your data analysis capabilities. To get started first, open your Power BI dashboard. This is your central hub for all your data visualizations and analytics. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functions remain the same. Next, navigate to either the Report View, Data or Table View, or Model View tab located on the left sidebar. Each of these views offers unique insights into your data, so choose the one that best suits your current task. Once you're in the right view, look at the top ribbon. Here, you will find either the Home tab or the Modeling tab. Click on the New Measure option. This is where the magic begins. Creating a measure allows you to perform calculations on your data dynamically. After clicking New Measure, the formula bar will appear directly above the canvas or table area. This is your workspace for writing the DAX formula. DAX, or Data Analysis Expressions, is a powerful formula language that helps you create custom calculations in Power BI. Now, enter your DAX formula in the formula bar. For example, you might want to calculate total sales by typing in a formula like total sales equals sum of sales amount. This formula will sum up all the values in the amount column of your sales table. As you type, Power BI will provide suggestions to help you along the way. If you make a mistake, don't worry, it's totally normal if this takes a moment. Feel free to adjust your formula until it looks just right. Once you've entered your formula, hit the Enter key to save your new measure. You will see it appear in the Fields pane on the right side of your screen. This means your measure is now ready to be used in your reports and dashboards. In summary, creating a new measure in Power BI is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your data analysis. Remember to open your dashboard, choose the appropriate view, click on New Measure, enter your DAX formula, and save it. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.